Let me now move to books. You have a number of books that you love reading, and of course you are big on the Harvard Review, but I want you to recommend a couple of books that you have read. Willard, I know you have read Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Why are you recommending that book and the other two that you're recommending?
Trevor, it's a book which gives a person a life survival lessons. It's a very simple book and very small. And any one of the youngsters really needs to read that because it gives you an idea of what you should be doing in business. And you're talking about a guy who has got effectively two fathers, although he should be one, but he has got two. And one is the rich one and the other one is the poor one. So it's illustrating that in life, you've got to have the right focus and you'll be able to move forward. And you go and look at it and they say, well, this is actually quite interesting. And I found it such a nice read because it's not a bulky book, but it's very, very good. And it has been a massive seller. And the other one,
In Search of Excellence by Tom Peters.
Those books were so good for us during our time because we were going into management and we needed to change. But you had to read, and he has written a series of books which were all moving with the times, but they're all pertinent and relevant. And you say to yourself, what is the lesson? The lesson is to say, as a person, you've got to establish a position where you have something which puts you in a position of strength. You must be behave in a way where you are respected and you respect other people. It's actually simple lessons. There's nothing really where people talk about some of these books and they think there's something quite spectacular and unusual, but they're actually simple, very simple. They are life lessons. Yes.
Your third book is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I must confess that for me that book was life changing too. It looks like it did the same thing with you.
It did, Trevor. That's an amazing book.
Yeah.
And it does not become redundant, by the way, because it's simply talking about across business and life, family. So it gets you back to sit and say, well, there should be no a break between what you do as a person, family and business.
Work.
They shouldn't be.
Seamless.
It's seamless, and they should be looking at it from a point of view where you recognize people's strengths. We're all different. You're going to be able to, but don't try and change a person. It's, to me, the biggest lesson in that book. Try and work on their strengths and let them reinforce them themselves, because that's what life is all about. Where we pick on weaknesses, you're actually going to destroy a person who could be a very good person.
Absolutely.